This overview, which is going to go through the process of sharing our our Power Pages with those people who are listed in them. So the game of this is basically just to spread the word that we've created this content, and basically we want the people who we've mentioned to know about it. So what we've done yesterday, I did about 15 of them. We got a lot of sort of followers and mentions, and it was just a lot of views, and it was all just very positive. So basically that's the reason you can see the kind of level of stuff that comes through, and there'll be more people coming on today to see it. So what we've got here is this big long list of all these apps which we created. I'll just turn that off for a second. Sorry. So what we need to see is basically if we click on this will be actually we don't even need to right click, it automatically loads up, and you can see that so Bold Commerce has its own website, and then from there we need to find its Twitter account, and because I don't use Facebook to do it, Instagram and Snapchat and blog. So I'm going to go maybe on the blog, and I'm definitely going to go into Twitter. And actually I've already done them. I think I did. So sorry, anyway, I'd write a message there. So if we go into Watch Share, this is definitely worth. So what you need to do is just close down the Shopify, shut down that, and close that. That's fine. So there we go. Watch Share, Gree Apps, and then it doesn't look like there's a thing, but let's just see. If I go Gree Apps Twitter, there isn't, so that's fine. So that one's done. So I'll just close that and close that. Should have just dropped my page, which is what I needed. But anyway, crap. What is it? Small. Best Shopify apps. Oh god. Best Shopify apps. So if we go back down now, and this does happen, you will find some which don't have. So we don't have that one. So that one. So Expert Village Media. What's the deal here? Have they got a thing? To what? Okay, that looks promising. They've got a Facebook account. Sorry, that. Right, so what I would do is I would tweet them out, and using the tweet that we said the other day, just rip this off actually you can just go, rather than make that complicated, you go tweet to Expert Village Media at we love your, what's the name of it, Instagram feed app. Oh, we love your Instagram feed app. And it's number 22, I believe. Yeah. Great work. Right, I'm gonna copy that for next time. Just put that Instagram feed app. Okay, I'm gonna tweet that out. That's that, so they'll read that. And the idea is here is that they retweet it, they kind of share it around, and it just becomes linked, because we need people to come and visit this page, and the more people that know about it, this is just a good start. This is kind of just a very formulaic process to go through it, but it does work a lot. So if we go to Covet, Space Squirrel, You always click on the website. That's just a lot easier. Great. There's a Space Squirrel. There they are there. So a lot of these app developers don't get much love, so they're always keen to get some get some shout outs, as you call them. Covet.pix gallery, your gallery app. Okay, that's fine. We love your gallery app. Fine, so that works. So you can just go through these. Very, very shareable cart. Who developed this bad boy? This was Customer First Focus. Ugh, I think that might be that. So you can see, who are they? Dear Customer First Focus.com. Go into, oh, I didn't mean to put it into the thing, but let's see if they have a Twitter. Okay, I'm not even going to actually muck around with this. It doesn't look as though they do, so we just move on. So shareable cart is out. Not a big deal. So app tracking. Oh. Tracking and delivery by after ship. Sorry. Okay. It's all good. Why? Okay, interesting. Okay, so once again, you gotta tweet out these bad boys. We love your. It's very generic. Tracking delivery updates. We love your free ship. Shipping. Ship. Track. Okay, let's see if that's accurate. 25, yeah. So you can just sort of variate these slightly. So that's pretty much the process. So you just got to go through and just create a lot of stuff like this, and kind of mix it up with the tweeting. You can go through there, and I'm going to actually I would want to see. See, that sounds quite good. So I'm going to retweet that. It kind of just breaks up the constant tweeting out. So, we're not Donald Trump, so actually I'm going to tweet that as well. That's actually quite interesting. So that is a kind of Instagram that, sorry, sort of feel I like. So interesting. So okay, well, I'm going to have a look at those later. So yeah, that is that. So yeah, that's the process. You can close all these things down as you go through them. You don't want to end up with massive amounts of tabs, and that can easily happen. Great, so that's the process. So if you just carry on, go down to Shippo. Go Shippo. Let's go. Okay, where is that we? Okay, great. Free. Just probably state something about it just so that it reads a bit better. Free shipping. You're free, I'd call it fulfillment. Is it fulfillment? Fuck, I have no idea. Okay, not great, but I just didn't want to do that. Right, so anyway, that's the process. I'm not going to carry on too much, otherwise this video will be massive, but that's 11, 12 minutes of basically what we need to do, and on a large scale. Thanks very much for watching. Cheers.